one was on yesterday, and today's the last day, and it started about an hour ago.
Okay. Okay. Here we go.
It is. Another ironing board. An orange one yet.
Yeah, another orange one.
No.
Oh, you don't have to. I don't want you to buy it.
No. Well, don't worry, because I won't.
It's funny.
Yeah.
There's a rack for that. Yeah.
Oh yeah, and the tub.
And the bin.
Yeah.
How much? Oh.
Oh yeah.
75 for the bin.
And 100 for that.
That's all of it for sure.
That bench is a beady as well.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Look at that.
Brothers,
Nice.
and that's a beady tub.
Yeah, you don't see the tubs
No.
with the writing on like that.
I don't
very
think
often.
I've
Can you imagine washing your clothes like? I just have dirty clothes.
come across the tubs and the benches several times, but I don't think they've ever been
No,
with
this
the
is-
names
this
on
is
them
really
like that.
nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Little baby stroller was
So cute.
my youngest sister. That was the one that she used.
Really?
Yep.
Hello.
Hello. I wonder if my dad has that, probably.
World at War.
Wow.
World War II.
What is?
The Pacific.
Wow. Television landmark. Let's see here. You might like
And then
these,
the
yeah.
war.
And Clint Eastwood. Oh my God, it's gonna be.
I mean, you'd spend a fortune.
But he'd probably like all of these.
He probably would. That's the thing.
Yeah, I wonder if they do better on today's the last day.
Are you negotiable on your DVD sets at all?
Sure.
Her dad is really into this stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, and these would be great, like for a Christmas present.
Oh, exactly.
Keep them out of my mom's hair. You know how it is.
Yeah. So how much are they all?
So,
here? That would
let's
be
see.
10,
60, 80, 100.
100, 75?
Yeah, like this one's not even open.
No, that one's not. That's brand new.
What do you think?
It's totally, it's up to you. I mean,
Did we get them? What's this one? Saving Private Ryan.
you don't think he's got that?
I don't know if he has it.
I don't know.
And what's this?
The good, the bad, and the ugly.
Yeah. And he's doing.
Throw these two in for 75?
Sure.
Okay.
Wow, big sale.
Yeah. Oh, what's this?
Kylo Ren.
Oh, yes. Oh, thank you. Some Elvis. Get these for Mom.
Yeah.
Every woman loved Elvis.
No kidding. Thanks.
Yeah, he's
Okay.
gonna
We'll
love
carry
that.
on looking and see if we can add more to that box.
Okay, well, I'll just
Thank
put it
you.
over here then.
Okay.
Should you throw that in with it?
Oh my God.
Do you think he would like that?
I'm sure he does not like Richard Simmons at all.
Really? Oh,
I know, surprising.
I thought he would love it. Just as a
He
gag.
really wonders.
Just as a gag.
Put it at the very bottom, he'd be like,
Hey,
what the heck? Yeah. Oh, there's some. I'm gonna have a look at what's in here.
Yeah, and that's everything in there for 5.
Okay. That's glass. Wow. That can't be easy making a ring out of glass.
Yeah, no doubt, hey?
It's for coming from Merano, Italy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
And this is quite pretty too.
Mm-hmm. That's actually what caught my eye first.
This
Yeah.
is from Italy too, from Venice. It's Merano glass too.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's so pretty.
It's
Quite an art. It's got something heavy got set on it.
Yeah, that's
Oh
old.
yeah. It's nice. No,
No, that doesn't pull down?
no.
Then I
Well,
won't.
it will, but
Yeah, well,
only once.
yeah, yeah. Some of them have the compartment behind it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't want to break it before you buy it.
No.
That's usually not a good policy.
No. It's a cute table. I wonder if I bet Angie might want that. She does the Murano glass.
It's 5. Finding everything for everybody else here.
I know. I know. Wonder if she's by her phone. So let me take a picture. I'm just going to take a picture of that for my friend, if that's okay with you.
No, go right ahead.
My hand, so she can tell how big it is.
Five minutes later.
She's not getting back to me.
Uh-oh.
I know. So I'll just... Oh, thank you. My dad thanks you.
Oh, good. It's my husband. He's a Second World War II guy.
Oh, yeah.
Well,
Well, thank you very much.
I guess Angie's time limit has run out for that.
Yeah, if we make it to the truck and go, then I guess she's SOL.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Well, thanks, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you for being negotiable.
Oh,
Really appreciate that.
no problem.
Now your table's empty, though.
Yeah, I know.
Well, you guys have a great day.
Take care. Thank you.
Wow. You bought the load.
I did. Well, Dad'll be. I think he'll like all of these.
$75 worth of...
Yeah, but it's Christmas.
Yeah.
So.
Probably more than that worth of DVDs, like if you had to go buy all those new.
I'm sure they're $40 or $50 for
A set, probably, yeah.
So.
Yeah, I probably got several $100s worth of historical entertainment.
Yeah. If he has any of them, he can just give them to someone else.
I hate to call Worth stuff entertainment, but...
Well, some of those are reenactment type, but like it's a...
History is just interesting to some people.
It is very interesting.
And they're entertained by the knowledge, so. Great.
Okay, you
All
ready?
right, let's keep going.
Okay.
Yeah, your dad's gonna love those.
Oh, I think so. And all the blood.
Poor mother, that's gonna be the only thing on TV
She'll be
for
like
6 months.
You're the best daughter ever.
Oh, why?
Well, because he'll be
Oh,
out of her hair.
I just figured that she won't be able to watch any of her programs for the next half a year.
She doesn't watch a lot of TV
Okay.
anyway. Although she might be. He likes it when she's in the room with him, though, even though if he's just watching, but likes to have her there. You know how it is.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know what to do. She's had 6 minutes.
Yeah, no, on to the next.
Okay, this one is on today and tomorrow, and it started about an hour and a half ago. And it's multi-family.
Okay. But
Is it up there?
It says, yeah, that's it. I'll just turn. Oh, I thought there was I could turn here.
No.
Well, I can't drive through here either.
No.
Which may get stuck like Austin Powers here now.
Well, we both know you've drove into a building before.
Okay.
I know.
There's a bus stop right here.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's check it out.
Okay. Good morning.
Hello.
Good, how are you? Just fine, thank you. That's good. You keeping warm? Get in the sun. Yeah, I know.
Cops just pulled somebody over with a truck full of pallets.
Oh, there.
Didn't you hear them boop as they were coming
Yeah,
up?
but I just thought they kept going or something, but I wonder why. Oh, because it's not secured.
I don't know.
Maybe it flew out of that truck.
Well, that's what I was wondering.
The one we drove on, yeah. Hey, there's another. We could have a good collection of GPS units as well.
We totally could.
Oh, did he bite you?
I think so.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, that wasp?
No.
Oh.
Like a mosquito.
Oh. So I was like, it's not like you to not cry. Okay, more DVDs.
If we ever come across like old VHS, I guess they used to put like the really like 1950s horror movies, and you could get like a VHS with like or like even a set with like 50 movies on it. Like, but it's maybe only like 2 or 3 VHSs. They must be small movies.
Right.
Mummy and the Monkey just loves that stuff.
On VHS?
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
Okay.
So are these real or are they copied? It's gonna be real or copied?
Copied.
Oh, they're real.
Oh my goodness. Holy smokes.
Yeah.
Looks like movies are $1 each. That's a good deal.
There's all the DVDs.
Yeah.
These are $5. Wow, $5 for the whole
Oh, and there's quite a few in there.
And then you got 5, 5.
Yeah.
Oh, and they're all full.
Wow. We just don't watch them that way.
Well, we watch them off the media center now.
Yeah.
They're all like, everything's gone streaming and.
Yeah. Those are cute. Imagine, I'd be so tall in those. I'd break my ankle.
There's a multicolored skull.
Oh yeah, weird. Maybe somebody painted it or what?
That's how the whole thing went.
What's the lid say? Oh, it is Crystal Head vodka.
Yeah.
Must have been a special edition or something.
Yeah, but like how many do we need?
Well, no. Oh, yeah, we don't need the empty bottle.
Oh my gosh,
We don't really collect
legs.
bottles.
These ones are rough though. Is that honey?
Oh, yeah, I bet you it is. Wonder how much?
Isn't that amazing? That never goes bad.
Yes. That you can eat honey from like 1,000 years ago.
Yes.
I know. But it's
Oh,
pretty much
yes.
just pure sugar, so that kind of makes sense.
That's why it's so delicious. Don't use it as much.
Don't you?
Because, well, I used to put it in my tea.
Yeah. You don't anymore?
No.
Oh. Well, I guess now that you're on keto, right, I forget. Being that I haven't been doing keto for...
Look at these shorts. Oh, weird. This is like a...
corset.
But feel it. It's rubber.
Oh, that is weird. So that your clothes stick to it, I guess, maybe, like,
I don't
move
know.
with it.
It would be so hot.
You'd think it would be, wouldn't
Yeah.
you?
Because it wouldn't breathe. Oh, look at this.
Yeah, that looks vintage, like almost flapper.
It's not, but it's made
Style.
to look that way. Isn't that nice? Would I wear that? What size is it, I wonder?
It's difficult to say until you'd actually have it on, you know what I mean?
Yes.
It's hard to know how it would look.
Right.
If it comes in enough at the waist to make you look skinny, or if it just hangs down straight.
It's fitted, yeah.
Yeah.
It sure is pretty though. I wonder where the, can you, here, this way. Looking for a size. Doesn't have,
There's no tag?
no. That is so weird. There's 0 tags in here. I'll hold it up to my bod and see if I can tell. So, not stretchy, but sort of. Can you hold it up like that?
$1.
No, this one's 15.
Oh, yes. I'm sorry. This one is marked separate.
But even 15 bucks, I think that could be so cute. I would probably make the underneath skirt shorter so that more of this is see-through. But I think it would fit. Oh, I'll ask them what size it is.
Okay.
It's just so pretty.
Mm-hmm.
And there's tassels. Whose was it and what size were they?
It was mine.
Okay.
It's supposed to be an extra large, but it's not quite, I don't believe. But it does stretch.
Okay.
And I've never wore it. I bought it for the fun of it and to wear it to whatever, you know.
Yeah, I'm just wondering, yeah, if it would fit me.
But is it going to be loose on her, or do you think it'll be fitted?
No.
No,
Oh.
it will be fitted.
Okay.
It's not going to be loose, but that's what they're supposed to be, right?
Right.
There is a zipper here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. It's so pretty.
Yeah. Did I put a price on it?
Yeah, you did. Yep. And
It's brand new. Like
tassels.
I said.
Yeah. What's that? It
had
didn't
in my
fit you?
I had it in my closet, and I kept it in my closet, and I kept it in my closet, and like, okay, that's not gonna happen.
No, this is great.
I keep the hanger.
Oh,
Yes.
I can put something else on it.
You sure can.
Oh, there's a string there.
yeah. Oh, or...
Got it? There you go.
Oh, got it.
Oh, thank you for having 5s.
Yeah, I try and have change when I come to garage sales just because you just never know.
Exactly.
Have a good day.
You too.
You want me to carry that? It looks nice on you.
Thank you.
Oh, I pulled that thread.
Oh, is that when she was taking it off the hanger?
Yeah, I think that'll be good.
Nice. Well, hopefully it fits you nicely, and if not, I mean, I'm sure you'll be able to get your money back for it. So.
Yeah, I think so. I always admire these. I see them online and stuff, like ads for them. And it's even black. I mean...
Yeah, but you hate to buy it online without ever seeing it in person, because then it'll turn out like a Wish thing where it's, you know, it looks one way in the photos and then it looks totally different when you're wearing it.
Or it's like this big when you get it.
Yeah. Like just big enough for a 6-year-old.
I know.
Okay, keep going.
It'll probably be a Christmas dress.
I probably gotta turn around again now.
Oh. Well, there's still air in them for now. You rubbed that one. Look at all the shit on this side.
I was trying to clean it off. Everything was stuck to the side.
What, the writing?
No, everything else.
There's too much writing on the side of their tire.
The rubber.
Oh.
I'm alive with you by my side. Yeah, feeling so right with the love on find. Ride or die, running loyalty, you got in those veins. You been thinking about me 24/7, 365 every day.